Have you ever wondered why some features in programming languages seem to be underutilized? It's a puzzling question, isn't it? Today, we're diving into the world of C++ and exploring why the noexcept specifier isn't more widely used in the standard library. I totally get it. It can be frustrating to see a powerful feature like noexcept not being used as much as it could be. You're not alone in your confusion. Many developers have noticed this and are curious about the reasoning behind it. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, why is noexcept not used more in the standard library? They pointed out that while some functions use it, many others do not. This raises an interesting discussion about its implications. So what's the deal with noexcept? It was introduced to help with optimizations and provide clarity in documentation. However, many standard functions like stdtime and cmcmp don't use it. Let's break down why that might be. And stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of noexcept and why it might be missing from certain functions in the standard library. To understand why the noexcept specifier is not used more frequently in the standard library, the user should first consider the purpose of noexcept. It indicates that a function will not throw exceptions, which can help with optimizations and documentation. Next, the user should examine the functions in the standard library that do not use noexcept. For example, functions like stdtime and stdmemcmp do not specify noexcept, even though they do not throw exceptions. The user should also consider the potential reasons for this omission. One possibility is that the standard library maintainers wanted to allow implementers more flexibility, especially for functions that might have undefined behavior. Additionally, the user might think about the role of the compiler. It is possible that modern compilers can optimize functions effectively, even without the noexcept specifier, by analyzing the code. Finally, the user can reflect on the idea that the absence of noexcept in some functions could be an oversight. Similar to the earlier omission of std_make_unique, it may simply be a case of missed opportunities for better documentation. Fun fact, the noexcept specifier is like a superhero cape for functions. It tells the compiler they can fly without throwing exceptions. But not all heroes wear capes, right? Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. Now here's a thought. Could the absence of noexcept in the standard library be an oversight? Just like the missing std_make_unique in earlier versions of C++, it seems odd that some functions still lack this specifier. In conclusion, while noexcept offers benefits for optimization and documentation, its absence in many standard functions might be due to historical reasons or oversight. Understanding this can help us make better decisions in our own code. And there you have it. Now you know more about noexcept and its role in the C++ standard library. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more insights and tips on programming. One user points out a challenge with using noexcept. They ask how you can guarantee noexcept when passing things by pointers. They suggest that while you can mark your custom functions as noexcept, you should only do so if you're absolutely sure that no exceptions will be thrown.